In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Softr password. We'll walk through the quickest, safest way to reset it using the forgot password option, and I'll share a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, open your browser and go to the official Softr website. To keep things secure, type the address directly into the bar and look for the lock icon in your browser, confirming you're on a secure connection. On the home page, locate the Sign In button, typically at the top right, and click it. That takes you to the Softr sign-in screen with fields for your email and password. On the sign-in page, don't try to guess an old password. Instead, click the Forgot Password link. You'll usually find this right below the password field. This route is the cleanest way to change your password, even if you still remember the old one, because it verifies ownership of your account via email. Next, you'll land on the recovery page. In the email box, type the email address you use for your Softr account. Double check for typos and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the address. When you're ready, click Recover. After you submit, you should see a confirmation message telling you that a reset email is on its way. Now, switch to your email inbox. The message can arrive within a minute, but it might take a little longer depending on your provider. If you don't see it, refresh the inbox and also check your spam or junk folders. It can help to search your mail for the word Softr or for phrases like password reset. Open the email from Softr and click the password reset link inside. That secure link will take you back to Softr to complete the reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the change and make sure to finish the process in the same browser tab. If the link has expired, repeat the recover step to generate a fresh email. And if no message arrives after several minutes, confirm you entered the correct account email and try again. For stubborn delivery issues, your organization's email filters may be involved, so you might need assistance from support. That's it. You went from the Softr homepage to sign in to forgot password, entered your email, clicked recover, checked your inbox, and used the link to reset. Keep your new password unique and stored in a password manager for safekeeping. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.